Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a card on Canva. First, open Canva and navigate to the search bar. Type in card to explore a wide variety of templates. You can choose to start with a completely blank canvas for full creative freedom, or select a pre-designed template to kickstart your project. Think about the occasion for your card, whether it's a birthday, holiday, or just a simple thank you, as this will guide your initial design choices. Now it's time to personalize your card. Canva offers a vast library of elements, including text boxes, images, and graphics. You can easily drag and drop these onto your design. Experiment with different fonts, colors, and sizes to create a look that truly reflects your message. For an extra special touch, upload your own photos directly from your device. This makes your card unique and memorable for the recipient. Once you have your basic elements in place, take some time to refine your design. Ensure all elements are perfectly aligned and positioned for a professional look. Canva provides helpful guides to assist with this. Explore the various filters and effects available to enhance your images, giving them a polished finish. Utilizing the layering feature allows you to easily manage overlapping elements, ensuring everything is exactly where you want it to be. Finally, your beautiful card is ready to be saved and shared. Canva allows you to download your design in several formats, such as PDF for printing, or JPG and PNG for digital sharing. You can also share your card directly from Canva via email or social media platforms. If you prefer a physical card, you can print it at home or use Canva's printing service for a high-quality, professional result. Your personalized creation is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.